By the way, on AT&T, that's back to the 50-day for the first time in a long time.
Yes, AT&T was riding on the back of
AT&T is,
it was good.
consumer wireline, fiber net adds of 338,000. Estimates were below that. AT&T's beat, postpaid phone net adds 708,000, and again, that was ahead of most of the analysts' expectations. Their free cash flow number, and this goes back to IBM a bit, was $3.8 billion. That was a bit below what had been the consensus. Stanky also did talk about inflationary pressures and a number of other things in his interview with the Squawk Box gang earlier. But let's give AT&T its due for this morning. You've been very critical of the company in the past.
Well, but when it got down here, I said enough is enough. It's just not worth it to be negative on them. I happen to be a big fan of T-Mobile.
I know you are. And listen, that's been the right place to be without a doubt.
Thank you. Because the inverse Cramer is short T-Mobile.
Without a doubt. And by the way,
the inverse Cramer hates my wife.
T-Mobile's market cap now exceeds that of Verizon by $14 billion, just to put that in perspective.
Isn't that something?
Remember about 6 weeks ago, I was talking about, remember how it passed that for the first time?
Right.
I mean, it's left it in the dust.
We have to keep those things in perspective.
Believed to have the best network is now T-Mobile, not Verizon.
No, I know.
And growing the fastest by far. I have not.
I sat next to Mike Sievert. It's one of those things where it's the same. When you sit next to T-Mobile guys, they look at your phone and they're like, two tin cans talking to each other. They are so aggressive, they try to convince you. Right there, right in the spot. I said, what is that? I said, what's a Verizon? Well, what, hands down the worst. That's where I got that joke. From T-Mobile.
I get it.
Always selling. Yeah, AT&T is going to lead the S&P this morning.
Look at that.
That doesn't happen a lot.
No.
American, Jim, with the beat, guiding above for the December quarter.
The quarter, even better than the pre-announcement.
Load factor, 85.3, is up almost 7 points from a year ago.
I was going back and forth with Phil LeBeau about whether the industry really does have fundamental change, because typically you can't buy this going into any sort of recession. But this theme about the weekends and the new way we work means that you can travel. Like every week's a 3-day weekend, which, of course, by the way, jives with my people don't do jack when they're at home on Fridays. It is absolutely incredible that there could be an airline renaissance.
Premium cabin load factor, up 5 to 10 points from pre-COVID. Now, Jim, they're saying first-class cabins will no longer exist because that gives them more room to enlarge the business-class cabin.
I just think that they can charge at will. People are flying overseas. Hey, you probably go to London right now, get one of those bespoke Larry Kudlow suits for, I don't know what price.
What do you think?
Probably like the way Men's Warehouse.
Nice.
Yeah.
$250.
Yeah, for a bespoke suit. No, I'm talking about people realizing we have not talked about this enough. We talk about the strong dollar, and it's endlessly negative. But how about for the inflationary factor of you can go and travel, which people do post-pandemic, and the rest of the world is our oyster. Our oyster. Like the ones from the West Coast.
I'm ready to travel anytime you want. You guys going to hit the road? I'm ready. You with me? Wherever we want to go.
I'll lend you a place in Italy.
What do you mean lend me? There was a time we used to take the show on the road.
I'm ready.
Meet our dozens of fans in other cities.
Just a sec. I want to see what the weather is in Florence because, man, if it goes below 34, we're going to lose our whole crop.